Loading up our stuff. Okay, see us.
Me and I.
Well, I'll help you now when I put the camera down. All the stuff's loaded up, we're ready to roll. B&Q in Lee. Can't be B&Q because they don't rip your back off. Alright guys, hope you're doing well. We are back in Manchester on the French door job we just did previously on Friday. And as part of creating disabled access, we are going to lift these flags up and create a ramp just to run straight into the doors. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you enjoy it. Hope you learn something. Lifting all these flags up, making a ramp up to that sill, so that's why I'm cutting down there, same that side, and then we can just raise it up. So wheelchair access again, just straight up into the house.
This time I put it all on the line. But I heard from others that you chase all lovers on the run.
So first job is to take the flags up. Now I did want to cut round all the flags to release them with a still saw, but my dad doesn't want any dust on the doors. So this is what it's like on every job, we have to do it a long way around, manually.
Cause I love you more than words can say. Yeah baby, in each and every way. There is nothing I can do to take this love, draw it back to you. This love of mine, this love of mine. Lips and this love of mine. Why you keep hiding? I think I'm doing good so far. Don't try me. I just wanna be where you are. Cause I love you more than words can say. Yeah, baby, reach it every way. There is nothing I can do to take this love, draw it back to you.
Nothing on the doors really. There's hardly anything going on. We're doing a big job, it's not about cleanliness, we've got to get the job done.
Come, baby. This love of mine. This love of mine.
So that is ramp height, and that's a bit of a template to show where we need our mortar to go to. We're going to build some type of base which we can then put our flags on. Because we're not coming up too high, we might just spot it with some big spots like this.
Hungry, they went for us to take us down. I know what it takes to free us. No one but you and me. Not them, they're gonna see. When everything's said and done, I'm gonna stay on the ground. There ain't nothing gonna bring us down. Wherever the race is run, I want us to stand our ground.
Where's the cut edge going?
Clean the edge. Plenty of room. Rubber hammer.
Rubber.
Yeah. Oh. That's it.
Up again. Right.
Flick a bit under there, Stu. And I'll lift it.
Well,
Yes.
start lifting it and it'll go that side then.
Stay on the ground. There ain't nothing gonna bring us down. Wherever the races run, I want us to stand our ground. There ain't nothing gonna bring us down. Whenever it feels said and done, I'm gonna stay on the ground. There ain't nothing gonna bring us down. Wherever the races run, I want us to stand our ground. There ain't nothing gonna bring us down.
Okay. Got another one. Yeah, for there. Put that there. Sweet. The what? Yeah. That's it. Man, need some more stuff now, I think.
You just said please, I think I drank too much. I said what can I do? You said
Mix some yellow mortar or some buff is what you call it, and that's all it is. It's just a powder form. You just add it to your mix.
you never thought about your destination. And what can one do except follow you? The one that taught me about procrastination. You really taught me to be patient. I really tried. Someone called, we talked. Someone died, that's all. And the rain keeps falling on me. And ever since I lost you late that night, I've been trying to.
Well folks, that's the end of the job. We've got the ramp finished now. All nice and bonny, the door's sealed up, everything's gone very nice. Hope you enjoyed this little double series of videos. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like rating, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to check the bell so you get notifications when I upload a video every time. Thank you very much guys, appreciate it. I'll catch you all later. Cheers.
Someone died, that's all. And the rain keeps falling.
Follow them men. Get some blocks. Follow the blocks.
It's a nice Mazda here. And, I don't know what the name is, but it's smart.
Rad.
Cheers mate. Thank you mate. See you later.
It's hard.
Mocha choca, mocha yoka, oh yeah. Oh shakalaka. Oh.